So morning in the first period, we have already discussed the difference between this and these. Now I want Tanvisari, not Tarini, to share. Yes, Tarini?
Miss, this means single. These means more.
Okay, this means one and these means more. Okay, we'll ask Janvi how Janvi will explain. Let's see. Yes, Janvi.
This is one object. We will call this. These are more objects.
Very good. This is used for one object and these is used for more two or many objects. Good children. And with this, what we have to use Bhavashir? If we are using this in the sentence, with this, what we have to use or are.
This means only one thing. And
Okay,
that and these means more things.
this means one thing. So what shall we add with this? This is
This
it
is a,
or
this
these?
is a computer game.
Very good. This is. We have to add is with this. We have to add is with these. And Sai Ritvik, what we have to add with is what we have to add with is
What you said?
what we have to add is
What we add?
here we have a worksheet. So let's see. Okay, look at this worksheet now. Everyone has written. This one, I told you morning in the first period, I made you to write this. I asked you to write this worksheet in your notebook. Yes, first we have to write the classwork, date and classwork. Look at your notebooks and check. Yes. So first write here 15, 3 and write there CW on the top of your page. And now tell me first one. Okay, write it now then. Children, now tell me first blank what I have to write in the first blank. Come on. Tell me everyone.
This is a computer game.
Very good. This is a second one. What we have to write?
These are lorries.
Okay.
These are lollies.
Yes, these are lorries. Next one. Dash is a camera.
This is a camera.
Okay, this is a camera. That is a kite.
This is a kite.
Very good. This is a kite. Dash are balls.
These are balls.
Very good. These are balls. Next one. Dash are watches.
These are watches. These are watches.
Okay, these are watches. Dash is a pen.
This is a pen. This is a pen.
This is a pen. Dash is a rubber.
This is a rubber.
No, you can write, right? Dash.
Mom, you didn't writing in
Dash,
board.
dash are chairs.
These are chairs. Ma'am, I didn't see you writing.
You cannot see the screen.
I see you, but you didn't writing, ma'am.
Huh?
I didn't see you writing.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am. I now can I see, ma'am?
Okay, right.
Computer game. Because this is a camera. Oh, this is a kite. Yes, these. T-H-E-S. E. This. T-H-I-S. These. T-H-I-S. These. T-H-I-T-S. కొంచెం నేను స్క్రీన్ తీయలేదు
Yes. And with all you wrote? Huh? Complete, eh? Write fast. Come front. This much big it is there, I cannot see. Okay, children, fine. This I'll share through MCB also. And now let us see here, based on this and this, let us see one small video. Then I'm going to ask you some questions. Look at this video, everyone. Listen it properly.
This, these. This is used for an object. These is used for two or more objects. Is should be used with this. Are should be used with these. This is a pencil. These are pencils. This is a book. These are books. This is a bird. These are birds. This is a car. These are cars. This is a bowl. These are bowls. This is a jug. These are jugs. This is a dog. These are dogs. This is a mango. These are mangoes. This is a bell. These.
Now you understood, children, this and these. Yes, this.
Monster Math presents addition below 10.
So now listen, open your course books page number. Here you are going to write some sentences. Page number 90. First open page number 18. Page number 18. Second bit. Yes. Course book page number 18. Fill in the blanks with this or these. You have that, right? So that is a HW, children. You have to put HW and date. Today you are going to complete that course book page like this. See, I wrote HW. I wrote HW and date. Fill in the blanks. Yes. Yeah, 18. Yes, yes. That fill in the blanks are homework. Put there HW. You don't know how to take the page numbers also. Hmm? Page number 18, English. Show everyone to write that date like this. Everyone has written, children, date and HW like this. Yes? Okay. Now, take out the page number 19 and 20, bit number 2 again. 19 and 20. Page number 19, you have 2 blanks and there is a picture of shoes, right? You have a picture. What you are able to see in that picture? Now see here, everyone. Write the date 15, 3 and CW. And there is a picture, children. What you have to do based on that picture, you have to make the sentences with this or these. Now here we have a pair of shoes. It means two shoes we have. So what we have to do, we have to write these are these. Give nice finger space. See how I'm giving. These are sport shoe. These are sport shoes. Yes. Near that, write that in the two. SPORT, sport shoes. Done? Write neat. Write neatly, children. Second one, you tell me what you will write there. Unmute yourself and tell me. There is a gift box, no? So what you will write there?
This is a gift box.
Okay. You can add some more, like this is my birthday gift. Okay. Shall we write there? Or you can also write this is a gift. This is A. And now we are going with the B. This is my birthday gift. Next page now. Where is that gift box? Near there. Yes. That lines only. Yes. This is my birthday gift. And number C picture, you see, these are my crayons. Yes, next crayons are there. No, write that crayons here. These are my crayons. And next one you have sofa. This is a soft sofa. This is a soft sofa. Children, make it fast.